Hello 54 subscribers and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a new guest. This is my friend Jess. We've known each other since May 21st of 2007 when we started working at that time FedEx Kinko's, now FedEx office.
Yep.
But Jess has embarked on a new adventure and has started a new job as a receptionist at a law firm. So Jess, tell us a little about yourself and what brings you to Stitch Fix.
Well, because I used to work at FedEx office and wear the FedEx shirt with the black pants, I had no other clothes almost for 12 and a half years. Now I have a job where I wear my own clothes. I did this box specifically for my new work clothes.
What did you tell Stitch Fix about yourself when you filled out the style profile?
I wanted just shirts and pants. I didn't want accessories. I have a unique shape, short, wide. Every time I try something on, nothing fits my boobs.
Same
so
here.
I feel wide. Plus I have on a bra that I don't want to have the puffers.
Question.
Yeah.
What is a puffer?
When you smoosh my boobs into a bra that has support on the sides, it comes out of the bra and puffs up, and then it's decolletage like this, puffer, and then a bra puff.
Yes.
I'm not an arm shower. I will only wear a tank top in Hayward, Wisconsin at the Lumberjack Festival. I am from the 80s in my fashion sense, so I definitely like a nice tight leg. And whiskering and moth hems are not my thing.
I've only been shopping with you a few times. When we went shopping, you walked down the rack and touched everything. And then when you liked the feel of something,
Yep.
you pulled it out.
I hate cheap fabrics. I did tell Stitch Fix that.
Okay.
I said, don't send me some polyester blended. Like, I did describe a few things. I hate it now that I'm remembering. In the future, I might get a sweater because now I realize my office wears a lot of sweaters. But as for me being the receptionist, I just want to look better. I want to look better. I want to feel better.
They gave you an accessory and you didn't want one.
Oh,
Yeah.
there's a blanket in here. There's like a stadium blanket.
So item one, we'll start with the accessory. You do like accessories, though.
I'm not belts and scarves, but I am other things. I am earrings, bracelets, yeah. So
I don't even
rhinestone
know what that is.
encrusted flower things that go on a wrist. Item two. Color is fine. I do love greens.
What is it?
I don't.
That's a good one. It's got fourth item here.
Okay.
Very dark navy.
It's a little
Yeah.
stretchy. And the last item.
Stadium blanket. It looks
This feels really nice
cozy.
and thick. We are back and Jess is modeling the first four pieces from her box, starting with the Bancroft Jewels Fireball Cuff Set.
It's these two.
When I'm looking at this, I'm also noticing the other two bracelets that you're wearing that are from your own collection,
Yeah.
and I find those far more intriguing.
Yeah, these are weird.
Why would they give that to a receptionist? It's gonna snag on everything. It's gonna make noise when you're on the phone.
On the mouse all day long.
Yeah,
It's very
yeah.
bulky.
For the next item, we're going to be talking about the Cyrus Shirala Shawl Cardigan in gray.
The fabric of the sweater is nice. It's not my pattern.
Do you wear a lot of gray normally?
No gray ever. Gray is so 80s. It's like an 80s guy who loves an apartment that's all black, glass, steel, and gray. If I was going to get out of my car and go to an outdoor concert or a sporting event, if I was a Sporty Spice, I could see like, I'm gonna wear that.
Underneath the sweater, Jess is wearing the Letty and Me Nikki Pointel 3/4 sleeve pullover, also in gray.
Looks like we've got some detail that goes across the whole shoulder and through the back
Yep.
too.
It's a
Okay.
little too womanly, athletic, gray,
Yeah.
modeled.
It washes you out.
Don't know if I mentioned I had silver hair that I don't like to match with.
So the fourth item you have are the blue pants.
Yep, tribal pants. There'll never be a camel toe episode in these. They have a very long crotch.
That's called a drop crotch.
I would never wear this much fabric on myself. They feel soft, they feel really smooth. These are real pockets, and the back having just the one fine.
How do you feel about the fact that they're a pull-on?
Well, they're not elastic band. They're not a khaki pant elastic band. I have a hard time not buttoning in at work and zipping.
We're back with the last item from the box. This is the Pleon Celia button-down blouse in light green.
It's not a bad blouse, it's just the material. It's 100% polyester. It's gonna give everyone BO. This was some kind of a nice jersey, knit, anything else, I probably would like it.
It's really cute, but fabric-wise,
style, shape-wise, it is cute. It's too itchy. It's too granular.
First item up for Bag It or Untag It, the cuff set.
Zsa Zsa Gabor can have her bracelets back.
In the bag. In case anyone's interested, those bracelets were $34. Second item, the button-down blouse in light green.
I would pay $6.99 to $7.50 for this.
It's $46.
Unfortunately, that's a bag it.
And then we've got this gray 3/4 sleeve pullover.
It's just too cheap looking, and it is a weird color.
You don't even care how much it costs, but it's $38. And then I hope these pants are going in the bag, but I'll leave that up to you.
They are. They are going in the bag, Nicole. They're just too big in the thigh for me.
And for $58.
And, oh, they're $58?
Item 5, the picnic blanket.
Well, how much is it?
How much do you think it is?
$74.
$78.
But it's too much of a weird design for me.
On your first box, we've got
5 for 5.
5 for 5 in the bag.
I would take this and this though. I love your outfit.
What would you tell Whitney to make the next box a better box?
Oh, fabrics. The shirts have to be a little bit more from nature, from earth.
I just feel like it
No.
fit your vibe. Like she's dressing a different person.
I think your stylist is younger. She saw your date of birth, and she dressed the person in her head for your age.
Yeah, even though I'm
So
54, I'm 13 inside.
You're going to have to work harder in your stylist notes to break through their perception.
Right. I'm going to have to say groovy pants, nice sweaters, maybe use some different adjectives.
Well, we're glad you're going to try again.
Oh, well, thanks for having me.
Thanks for watching my video. Click subscribe and you'll be notified when I release new videos.
I was an early subscriber and I love your channel, and whenever you put out a new video, it's so fun.
So if you'd like to get notified for new videos, please hit that subscribe button and we will see you in the next video.
On my birthday party in 2016, so I was 51. That was my first hot flash.
Oh wow.
And I thought I was dying. I was at Can Wonderland drinking and partying with all my friends, Miguel and everybody. And then I'm just like, I think I have cancer. This must be what cancer's like. I had to leave and go outside and like think about it and freak out. And then I got back in and my friend Janae goes, oh no, my mom's doing that. That's a hot flash. And I'm like, oh.